throttle! Wow! I don't think there is something faster than this. This thing is German engineering. Oh! So now guys, it's time for a drive inside the BRABUS Porsche Turbo S. Guys, are you ready? The first ever drive and experience for me, and I'm extremely excited to be sharing this moment with you guys. So join me on today's video. I have the key right over here. Unfortunately, this is not modified, it's just a stock Porsche key. And yes guys, instead of putting the key in the keyhole, we have this right over here, and then you just turn it. First of all, the ignition. I have the seat belts on as usual, and we have the top down, guys, as you can see here. Oh, and we have amazing weather right now. I can't believe it. It's just beautiful. So are you ready? We will be driving normal mode first, and then afterwards switching out to Sport Plus. Let's just start it up and listen to the sound. Let's go. Ooh, okay. This is a flat 6, so it's not a V8 or something. The sound is not as loud, but it's very fun. That's what they have already told me and what I've already heard. So get ready for it, guys. So let's go ahead, put the car into drive, release the handbrake, and start to drive. Let's go. Let's put the car into D, which stands for drive, release the handbrake, obviously, and let's go ahead. The car is ready, the top is down, we have some amazing weather. Let's hope for a nice ride, okay? Let's go. We will be driving it in normal first. Oh, nice, okay. I will be putting all the windows up so we don't have any wind noises, okay? There we go, guys. And let's drive in normal mode first. Unfortunately, I cannot compare it with the base turbo as I haven't driven it yet, but this already feels very sporty. Oh, very stiff and sporty ride with this direct steering. This thing is very agile on the streets, okay? Yeah, that's enough. Let's switch to Sport Plus. We can drive a bit faster now. Ooh. Downshift. Oh, crazy. I think the Turbo S itself is already a very fast car, but this with the Brabus boost is, oh, it's breathtaking. Oh, the sound. Do you hear that? The crazy thing is when driving this turbo right now is that you don't have any lag switching between the gears. Oh! So the Turbo S, especially this Brabus one, is always ready to push forward. Crazy. I wish we had the German Autobahn here, the unrestricted one. I wish we had it right here so I could push and demonstrate the performance. Wow. This thing is German engineering, German power. I love it. I love it. I love it. Even though I'm a huge Mercedes-Benz fanboy, this thing really got me. Wow, look how agile the car is. It literally sticks on the road. downshift. This car is unbelievable, unbelievable. As soon as you're searching for the power, okay, as soon as you put your feet on the gas, literally pushes you forward, okay, the road's empty. Oh! Whoa! I have to do this again. Oh, downshift. This is the race start, okay. Oh! This thing does 0 to 100 in 2.5 seconds. This is a beast, a real machine. And the coupe is even faster. Wow! Downshift. Oh, the flat six is an amazing engine. And with the Brabus boost, it makes the drive simply perfect. Wow! What a performance beast! Downshift. Full throttle! Wow! I don't think there is something faster than this. Okay. First gear. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Oh, I get goosebumps. This car feels so safe to drive. I also think we have a re-axle steering on this because it literally feels like it. Yeah, this definitely has a re-axle steering. It supports the car and is more agile in when you drive a bit faster. Just simply perfect. Wow. Oh, the sound, do you hear that? I'm out of words. Don't expect me to say something because there's nothing to add to this. Oh, what a crazy ride it has been, guys. How do you like the drive inside the Porsche Turbo S? Imagine Brabus tuning the GT3 or the GT3 RS. Oh, I think I need a break. This was crazy. I don't need a break. I need a second tour. I need an Autobahn run. And if you need it, guys, let me know in the comment section below. I'm looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.